what's up? Today I want to go ahead and do a Boxycharm unboxing. We're going to do a January 2020 unboxing of Boxycharm. Now I know there's a new Boxycharm premium kind of deal happening right now, but I do not do the premium because I actually do Boxy Luxe. So I get an extra box every like 3 months or something like that, and that is enough. I don't feel like I need the Boxycharm premium and the Boxy Luxe. It's just that would just be entirely too much. Anyway, so I took an Instagram poll on my Instagram, and a lot of you guys answered that you did want to see this unboxing. I know that by the time I put up this video, there will probably already be 500 Boxycharm unboxings for the month of January, but again, my channel, my videos, yada yada yada. So let's go ahead and jump into what we received this month in our January 2020 Boxycharm. So if you guys are unfamiliar with what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription box that comes with 4 to 5 luxury products. They're full size usually. Now there are 3 different Boxycharms now. They have Boxycharm, Boxycharm Luxe, and Boxycharm Premium. For all of the information, I will go ahead and put a link down in the description bar. If you're interested in trying out Boxycharm, you have all of the information. It runs anywhere from 20 bucks depending on which subscription you get, all the way up to 45, and now I think it's probably even like 55 bucks. I'm not exactly sure. All right, so I got this at my door today. I'm gonna try to get this up for you guys today. Fingers crossed. The really cool thing about Boxycharm, you guys, is that every box has a different variation, or I guess there are different variations for different boxes. So not every box is something different, but depending on the variation you get, there are different products in each box. So every month when you get your Boxycharm, you always get this little card right here. It tells you all about the products, and it tells you how much the box retails for, like if you were to buy each product individually. And that's what's really cool, because the regular Boxycharm especially is $20, a $20 subscription, and 90% of the time I feel like it's a good value. I know a lot of people, they end up canceling their subscription because they don't like one box or whatever, but I kind of think, you know, it's a way for me to get my makeup collection up that's pretty inexpensive. Now I never did these last year on my channel, but I got a Boxycharm and a Boxycharm Luxe every single month, or I guess a Boxycharm every month and then a Boxy Luxe every 3 months last year, and I have a ton of stuff. I was going to go ahead and film like a what did I get last year from Boxycharm and Ipsy and all of that video, but let me know in the comments if you guys want to see that, and I will go ahead and get that filmed. Here's the card. The theme is breaking the ice, which I think that that's pretty cool. I like that every month they have different themes, and I guess January, breaking the ice, right? Still wintertime. This month I see we have 5 different products, and I'll just start from the top of the list and work my way down. The first thing is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. It just looks like this. So I got the shade 60, which is Little White Lies. The shade is actually pretty close, I feel like, to what I would wear normally. It says Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural, flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E and something starting with the G to keep skin moisturized and to rejuvenate and improve the skin's appearance. The angled doe foot applicator is easy to use and precisely applies the velvety skin formula to visibly brighten the complexion and cover dark circles. This blendable long-wearing concealer is great for all skin types, and this is retailed for $25. So it just comes on a regular doe foot applicator. Let's check the color. Ah, okay, it's a little pink. It might work. Maybe if I blended it in with another more yellowy concealer, it might work. I like the fact that it says like medium buildable coverage, but that's what that looks like. The next product that I see on the list is the Ace Beauty, the eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is cool. I love getting eyeshadow palettes in Boxycharms or Ipsy Luxes or Ipsy bags. Even though I don't wear eyeshadow all the time, I really like to get them. All right, so this is valued at $34.99. The packaging is really pretty. So this is the Vintage Dawn palette. It says this eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets witnessed in various locations around the world. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. It comes with a really nice mirror, but these are the shades. That's really pretty. The concealer I know I'll use, you guys, but this is something that I may give to my niece, so I'm actually not going to swatch this. There is Sun, Daybreak, Horizon, Gleam, Grand Canyon, Golden Hour, Pyramid Fade, Serengeti, Cactus Sky, and Dew. And $34, I think, and $25. Yeah, so we've already met the value of the box just with those two products, so. All right, you guys, the third thing on the list is the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. I think that's how you say it. So this is what that looks like right here. And it says a delicate exfoliating cream with a rich texture and soothing formula fragrance. Truffle Therapy Face Gommage is a lush formula combining the best of the iconic Mediterranean lifestyle and the luxury Italian spa experience. A beauty cabinet staple, the Truffle Therapy Face Gommage features sweet almond oil, gentle apricot seed powder, and our unique and exclusive black winter truffle extract, which has a high concentration of superoxide dismutase, a powerful tree radical scavenger that reduces the signs of aging, gently buff away and erase dull, lackluster skin, revealing a more luminous and healthy complexion. That's cool. So this retails for $28, and you're just supposed to massage it into your skin for 2 minutes, avoiding the eye area. Remove with a damp towel, lukewarm face towel, and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week. I think I am actually going to try this. I am really careful with skincare just because I do have super sensitive skin, but let's just open this up and smell it. That smells good. Okay, I'm going to swatch this on my hand. Ooh! So that's what it looks like. It does have little granules of some kind of product. I'm guessing it's probably the apricot seed. So I'm gonna have to research this because I know like almond seed is really bad for you, but I'm not sure about apricot seed. But this is really nice. It smells really, really good. Oh my gosh. You guys, if I could describe this, oh my God, pure heaven. It really, really does smell good. And it's a huge, huge bottle. This is 150 mils, which is 5.7 fluid ounces for $28. That is really, really good. I'm gonna have to do some research on this, make sure it's okay to use on my skin, but it is really nice. Okay, the next thing I see on the card is the Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. I love when we get, whoa! Sorry, I just looked at the price. Okay, as I was saying, I love when we get double skincare because I'm a skincare girl, like especially since I've turned 35 and I'm trying to really take care of my skin. Sorry, that shocked me because this retails, you guys, for $107. I'm gonna have to find out, where's my phone? I'm gonna have to find out if this is a full size, because if it is, that's crazy. And then I'm gonna tell you the price.
20 minutes later.
Yeah, I didn't think so. This is probably like a little trial size because the other one online, it comes in a jar. So the one online that's probably the full price looks like this. It comes in a different package. So I'm pretty sure that this is probably a trial size, but I hate when they do that because I want to know like really how much the product is. So on here it says that this is worth $107. But I don't think so because even this one online is only $85. So I'm gonna have to do some research and I'm gonna have to see if, you know, where they get that information from. But anyway, this is the Avant Skincare 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. It says the 8-Hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. I have none of those. None. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up because like I said, normally I keep the skincare that are in these boxes, but sometimes I do pass on the other stuff, like some of the makeup. I'm gonna try the concealer, but I'm probably gonna pass the palette on to my niece. Okay, so it just looks like a regular mask. I do like sleeping masks too, but ooh, this is nice and thick. This smells good too. It smells more like a moisturizer. It's just right there, but it's really thick. I do like a little bit thicker sleeping masks just because I feel like I get more out of it. Is that weird? I don't know. So it has shea butter, rice bran, age radiance. Oh, I thought it said discontinue if you have redness on your face, but no, it says apply a thin layer to clean dry skin, allow to absorb into the skin, no need to wash off. That just says discontinue use if redness or irritation occurs, and do not ingest. Okay. All right, the last thing I see here on this box is the Mana Kadar Beauty Lip Whip. I don't need another lipstick, you guys, so I'm probably gonna pass this on to my niece as well. But this is in the shade Faith, and it says a matte lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply and formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. And this is retailed at $21. So that's what this looks like. It's a really pretty color, you can see right here. I just don't need another lipstick, and it's a little too rosy for me, but I think my niece, one of my nieces, will wear this shade. So let's add up everything in the Boxycharm. I'm just gonna put $107 for the skincare. You have $25 for the Pretty Vulgar Concealer, $34.99 for the palette, $28 for the Therapy Face Mask, and then you have $107 for the sleeping mask, which I don't think that's true, and then the lipstick is $21. So if this 1 ounce is or 1.69 fluid ounces, if it's 107, the box is valued at $215.99. I don't think that's right. I'll say it for now. Even if without that skincare mask, box is valued at $108.99. So $20, $108.99. That's a pretty good deal. So that's why I continue with my Boxycharm subscription, just because I get so many great products to try out. And as an influencer, I feel like it's important for me to have the ability to try out a lot of different things and tell you guys about it. And because I'm on a teacher salary and I don't get paid to do YouTube yet, I do need as many possible ways to try out products so that I can tell you all about them. But anyway, that is it for this video, you guys. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are interested in trying out Boxycharm, or if you do have it, what products did you get this month? And are you interested in continuing your subscription? I really want to hear from you guys, and I want to understand, you know, what people love about Boxycharm, what people don't love about Boxycharm, because like I said, I've always had a good experience with it. And the fact that I have so many products to try out, I think is what I like most about Boxycharm, but I'm always interested to hear from the other side. Anyway, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, please do so down below before you go. I really do appreciate it. I'm so glad that you joined me today. Thank you so much for spending your time with me, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!